Welcome to SEC Math Academy. In this lesson, we are going to see January 2023 S1. S1 Statistics Edexcel IAL question paper. It has 6 questions. First question is histogram. In the histogram, there is interpolations also there. And the second question is tree diagram. Tree diagram is very interesting question. We are going to take 3 times marble. First 2 times when we are taking from the back X, then we are placing at back Y. Third, we are taking at back from the back Y. Very interesting question. Please see it. And question 3 is discrete random variable. They are asking EX, and here the one interesting twist is Px is equal to 1, but we cannot calculate because they have given plus A and minus A also. Very interestingly, they are asking A value. What is the range? Okay, you look at the question, you will see that twist. And variance X, they are asking EX squared minus EX whole squared. Very interesting question. Find the possible values of A. Previous past papers we have seen, find the values of A, because in the PX they would have put some A or B or L. We have to find out all, add sigma x is equal to 1, and we can find out that one. Here very typical question. Question number 4, Venn diagram. One interesting Venn diagram they asked. P of A intersection B dash union A dash intersection B. Very interesting question. Look at the question. And question 5 is 17 marks. 3, 4, 3, 3, 4. There are 5 parts. Here they are putting location spread, that is Q1, Q3 also. At the same time, normal distribution. Normal distribution, it is here coming at 3 places. Very interesting. In normal distribution, question number 5 has the 3 chapter. Even probabilities also there under the given conditions. Very interesting question. I enjoyed to, when I am teaching, I enjoyed the question very much. Question number 6 is a regression line. Here they didn't give sigma xy value, sxy value. We have to find out in another way. Very interesting question. Please look at the question. Only 6 questions. If you understand these 6 questions, you will become the master of the S1. Thank you. Now you look at the questions, how we solved. See you. Welcome to SEC Math Academy. In this lesson, we are going to see S1, Statistics 1, Edexcel IAL, January 2023 question paper. Question number 1, histogram topic. In the histogram, x-axis always class width, y-axis frequency density. What is frequency density? Frequency density is frequency by class width. Okay. And second, what we have to know, what is area? Area and frequency relationship. Area of the bar. This bar, this bar, this bar, this bar. Area of bar is equal to K times frequency. Okay, they will give one area. We can find the area of the bar in any area of the bar. They will give frequency of one area, at least frequency of one area. From that, okay, area of the bar you can calculate from the graph. Frequency, at least for one area they will give it. Okay, with that you find K value. From that K value, they may not give frequency of other bars. From that K value, you got the K value, then area of other bars you find out and find the frequency. That is simple. Area of the bar over K. Okay. How to find the area of the bar? It is each bar is one rectangle. You see here, this is length, and this is breadth or height, whatever you can say. Okay, so now they have given the first one 5 to 10 area. What frequency they gave? 10. This length, how to find out? 10 minus 5. This is length is 10 minus 5. Okay. What is this height? You may put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Generally put with 1. Start with 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now I am writing here. For 5 to 10 class width, area is equal to 10 minus 5 is 5, height is 2, so total is 10. Area is what? 10 units. What is the frequency they gave? 10. So 10 is equal to K times 10. So K value will be 1. 10 by 10. Right? So in this sum, K is 1. We put 1 to. If we put a different FD y-axis value, it may come differently. Okay. K is 1. Okay. Now 18 to 25 they are asking. 18 to 25. First, write it down. Here you write it down. I am going to erase. Okay. 5 to 10 we found out. Now from 5 to 10 what we found out? K is equal to 1 we found out. Now 18 to 25. Put on title. Class with 18 to 25. What is the area? 25 minus 8 is 7. Okay. What is the height? You see it. This is the 18 to 25. This is the area. This is the bar. Height is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Height is 5. So 7 times 5 is 35. Okay. So frequency is area by K. 35 by 1 is equal to 35. So we found out 18 to 25, the frequency is 35. Okay. Next, 25 to 40. Put another one title, 25 to 40. Area is what? 40 minus 25 is what? 15. Height is 1. 15 times 1 is 15. What is the frequency? Area by K. 15 by K is 115. Okay. This 15 you can find out in another way also. They said there are total 100 people. 5 to 10, 10, 10 to 14, 16, 14 to 18, 10, 16, 24, they already give. You found 35, so total 85 is coming. 100 minus 85 is 15. That also, in that way also we can find out. So in both ways it is right, we found out. Okay, part A completed. Okay, estimate the number of people who took less than 16 minutes to swim 500 meters. Part A is only 1 mark. Okay, part B, estimate the number of people who took less than 16 minutes. Less than 16 minutes is what? This is 5 to 10. This is 10 to 14. It is 15. Okay, 5 to 10, how many people? 10 people. 10 to 14, how many people? 16 people. Okay. So less than 14, how many people? 26 people. Now 14 to 18, look at the table. Look at the table. Here you see it. 5 to 10, 10 people. 10 to 14, this we found out 35, 15. Okay. They wanted less than 16 only. Less than 16 means we don't know less than 16. But 14 to 18, 24 people. 14 to 18 means how many people? There are, this class width is 4. This 4 is 24. But 14 to 16 is how much? Class width is only 2. So 4 is 24 means 2 is 2 into 24 by 4. It is 12. Okay. So 10 plus 16. 5 to 10. Less than 10, 10 people. Less than 14, 26 people. Less than 16, 38 people. How the 38 came? This 26 plus 12, 38. Got it? Copy down. Okay. Okay. Part B completed. Then part C, find and estimate for the mean time taken. Mean time taken is X you put. What is the formula for mean? I will tell little. Mean, suppose there are 3 types of data. Okay. Data 1 is 4, 6, 5, 3, 2. This is one kind of data. For this, what we have to do? Just add listed data. Sigma x over n. 10, 15, 18, 20, 20 over 5, it is 4. This is a one way. Mean. Second type of data is x times f. Suppose 4, 6, 7, frequency is 10, 12, 8. Like that it will be there. For that, you have to do it fx. Multiply it. 40, 6 times 12, 72. 7 times 8, 56. Add everything. 40 plus 72, 112. 112 plus 56 is 180. 100. Second type is sigma fx over sigma f. Sigma f is nothing but n. Okay, this is the second type of data. Third type of data is 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, like that class width will be there. Their frequency will give 4, 6, 2, suppose. 10 to 20, which number we don't know, maybe 11 or 12 or 15 or 18. So for that, find midpoint. How to find midpoint? 10 plus 20 divided by 2. 10 plus 20 divided by 2 is 30 divided by 2 is 15. 20 plus 30 is 50. 50 divided by 2 is 25. 30 plus 40 is 70 divided by 2 is 35. Now do like this. Okay. So for mean, there are 2 formulas. We have 3 types of data. For this one. This type of data, sigma fx over sigma f. That type of data, 10 to 20, like that class width will be there. There is no x. You find the middle x, then that data will look like this type. Okay. Now find the midpoint. What is the 5 plus 10? What is the midpoint? 10 plus 5 is 15. 15 divided by 2 is 7.5. 10 plus 14. 24 divided by 2 is 12. 14 plus 18, 32. 32 divided by 2 is 16. 18 plus 25, 43. 43, 21.5. 25 plus 40, 62.65, 32.5. Got it? Now the same. What is the mean formula? Multiply it. 10 times x. 75. 16 times 12. Okay, you may think that I left one column, CF. This is called CF, cumulative frequency. This is required for to find median, mean, median, lower quartile, upper quartile, interpolation. For this it is required. But here one problem is there. As per my experience, most of the students, instead of x, they are multiplying with the CF. Okay, always take care. You make it one, here make it, just do it like this. Take care. Okay, they will do 10 times 7.5, 75. 16 times 12 is how much? 192. 24 times 12 is 160, 320, 384. Yes. 35 times 21.5, 700, 735, 752.5. 1 minute, I will confirm. 35.21.5. $752.5. Okay, 15 times 32.5. 487.5. What the students are committing mistakes, instead of multiplying with f, they are multiplying with cumulative frequency. Sometimes they are multiplying with only f, but this data, any one data, they are multiplying with CF. Then the whole result will go waste. So take care in that cases. Now add everything. Plus 752.5 plus 384 plus 267, 1891. Okay, 192.75. I added 267. I cumulatively added. Okay. What is the formula? What is this? This is a fact. Please ensure after every time you do it, whether you calculate it like this. Check it out. 1 time, 2 time, compulsorily check it out. You compulsorily check it out. Out of 30% of students are committing these mistakes. Okay, even 50% of students are committing these mistakes. Okay, 1891. Okay, what is the mean? What is the formula I told? Sigma fx over sigma f. Sigma f is, if we added 100 will come. To check this and this cumulative frequency should be same. So 1891 divided by 100 is, mean is 18.91. 1891 divided by 100, 18.91. It is right. Okay. Next is find the standard deviation. Standard deviation, what is the formula? Square root of sigma fx squared by sigma f minus sigma fx over sigma f whole square. Okay. Sigma fx squared we have to found out, but they gave it. Suppose if they don't give, I put the column separately empty. If they don't give it, just multiply these two and give it. You see it, sigma ft squared. Here instead of x, everything is t. Sigma ft squared is 41033. Okay, now I will go to the copy down. Standard deviation. What is the formula? Sigma fx squared over sigma f minus sigma fx over sigma f whole square. Okay, don't get confused. For the listed data, this is a formula. Sigma x squared over n minus sigma x by n whole square. Okay, this is the frequency data, class width data. So for this formula, sigma fx squared over. Okay, now standard deviation is, they have given square root of 41033. Am I right? Yes. This is sigma ft squared. Note it down. This square is only for x. This square is for everything. Divided by sigma f. Sigma f is 100 minus this value we already found out in part C. So it is 18.91. This is nothing but mean. It is nothing but mean. 18.91 square. Okay. Now find out this value with the calculator. 41033 minus 18.91 square. Find the value 52.74 square root 410.33 minus 18.91 square root of the answers 7.262. You can write 7.3. Okay. Next, note it down. It is very simple. You scored 2 marks. Now interpolation to find this one. Okay, come here. This one. Now they are asking interpolation. Use the interpolation to estimate IQR. What is IQR? IQR is nothing but interquartile range. Interquartile range is what? Q3 minus Q1. Q3 they already gave 23. Okay, I will take the separate page. Q3 is 23. What is Q1? What is Q1 formula? N by 4. N is what here? 100. 100 by 4 is 25. You check where the 25 is there. Until 10, 5 to 10. 11 to 26, this one. So here 25 is there. Because 25th term is in this row. Okay. Now what we have to do, we don't know that 25th term may be 11, maybe 12, maybe 13, maybe 13.5, maybe 13.99, anything will be there. Okay. So we have to find out. How to find out? By the interpolation. Okay. Copy down this one. Interpolation, just put one line here. Okay. Which class width, which row? That row, left boundary here you put, right boundary you put here. what we want? Q1. What we want? Q1. You put here. Okay. Next. Above 10. This 10 is for this one. This 14 is for this one. Above 10, what you have to put? This 10. 10th element is 10. This 10, above 10 you have to put it, but both are same 10, no issues. Then here, this 26 you put here. How to put? Which row you have taken, that row left boundary here, right boundary here. And what you want, Q1 or Q2, Q3, you put the middle. And above 10, just see the cumulative frequency, which row, the above one you take it out. Here 10. And then the same cumulative frequency you put it here, 26. Now, what we found n by 4 is 25. 100. This you put here. Again, I am repeating interpolation. Put one line. Which row you have chosen? This row you have chosen, because 25 is in this row. So this 10 you put here, this 14 you put here, Q1 you put here, and cumulative frequency, the previous row, cumulative frequency put here, the same row cumulative frequency put here. What you found by the calculation, n by 4, 25 you put here. Now, 25 minus 10 is how much? Put it. 26 minus 10. Put it. This minus this one is equal to Q1 minus 10. 14 minus 10. You understand? Actually, they will tell A, B, C, D. A over B is equal to C over D. Got it? 25 minus 10 is how much? 15. 26 minus 10, 60. Q1 minus 10. 14 minus 10, 4. Okay? $25 minus 10 is 15. 26 minus 10 is 60. Q1 minus 10, 14 minus 10 is 4. Now, Q1 is minus 10 is equal to 4 times cross multiplication, 15 over 16, cut it. 15 over 4 is 3.75. Q1 is equal to 13.75. Got it? This is a Q1. So what is interquartile range? Q3 minus Q1. 23 minus 13.75 is equal to 9.25. Copy down. 9.25. This is IQR. Okay, I will recap. In the histogram, they will ask the frequency of some class width. That how to do it? They will give frequency of at least one bar. From that, find the value of the K and use it for the other class width, other areas. Mean, take care, find the midpoint. Midpoint, how to find out? 5 plus 10 divided by 2 is 15. 15 divided by 2 is 17.5. Do it. That is X. Then you already know F. So Fx you find out. Sigma Fx over sigma F. Take care, don't multiply with CF. Always after doing, you check it out one more time. Then here one more point I have to note down. Here you see it class width is 5 to 10, 10 to 14, 14 to 18, 18 to 25, 25. Here everything is same. That is, it is a continuous. Sometimes it will not be continuous. Okay, that I will come now. Suppose 1 to 10, 11 to 20, 21 to 40, like that is there. Don't consider this is because you see there is a gap. So this class width, don't take it. You give some adjustment. How to give the adjustment? This second row left, first row right, subtract 11 minus 10 is 1. 1 by 2 is 0.5. 0.5 you subtract from the left, 0.5 you add to the right. So this will, how will it become? 0.5, 10.5, 10.5, 20.5, 20.5, 40.5. Sorry. Yes, 40.5. Here you see I subtracted 0.5. Here you see I have added 0.5. Okay, this formula, then standard deviation. Standard deviation, you know the formula. Square root of sigma fx squared over sigma f minus sigma fx over sigma f whole square. Students get confused. This square is same. No, this square is for whole. This is for x squared. Okay. Generally, they will give sigma fx squared because your people difficult to multiply. Okay. Sigma f is nothing but Jan. Okay. Keep watching before 21st. Now I am going to release these videos. Within 5 days, I will release around 5 or 6 past papers. Keep continuously watching my channel. Thank you. Welcome to SEC Math Academy. In this lesson, we are going to see S1 Statistics Edexcel IAL January 2023 question number 2 tree diagram. Okay, look at the question. 2 bags X and Y. Okay, 2 bags X and Y. Each contain green marbles and blue marbles only. Only green and blue. Bag X contains 5 green and 4 blue. 4 blue. Bag X contains 5 green, 4 blue. Bag Y contains 6 green and 5 blue. Okay. So bag X has 9 balls, bag Y has 11 balls. Okay. Now what they are telling, use this information to complete the tree diagram. Okay, I am not looking, note it down, 5, 6, 4, 5, okay. First ball taken, first ball green and blue. What is the probability of getting green? There are 5 green balls, so 5 over 9. So blue getting the probability 4 over 9. Okay. Next is afterwards, after you see it, a marble is selected, not ball, marble. Okay, correct. A marble is selected at random from bag X and placed in bag Y. Okay. After taking this one, we are keeping in bag Y. Okay. A second marble is selected at random from bag X and placed in bag Y. Okay. Now, first lot, first bag, there were 9. 5 green, 4 blue. 1 was taken, 1 green was taken. Now how many? There were 8. Okay. There were 8. because 1 was taken. So out of 8, how many green? 4, because out of 5, green 1 is taken. So 4 over 8. Blue has not changed. Number of blue marble has not changed. It remains same. So blue is 4 over 8. Next. Now, next is blue now. Okay. In the first lot, 1 blue marble was taken. So there were 9. Out of 9, 5 were green, 4 were blue. Now 1 blue were taken. 1 blue was taken. Now how many remain? There were 8. So 5 over 8. Green is 5 over 8. Blue is, there were 4 were 9. 4 blue. Now 1 was taken. 3 over 8. Got it? First 5 over 9, 4 over 9. Out of green, now after the first lot, 1 marble was taken. So what was the remaining? There were 8. Out of 8, 4 green, 4 blue. 4 over 8, 4 over 8. Now there were 9, 5 green, 4 blue. 1 blue was taken. So how much remaining? 5 green and 3 blue. 5 over 8, 3 over 8. Okay. Now the thing is now changed. Third lot. Initially, how many marbles? There were 11 marbles. 6 green, blue 5. Now in this case, this marble also placed in back Y. They told first case, second case taken from the back X. A third marble is then selected, this time from back Y. Okay, so these two are taken from X and placed in back Y. So initially, how many marbles were there? 6 plus 5, 11 was there. Now afterwards, in this case, 2 green were put. So 8 plus, then how many marbles total? 13. Because 11, this plus 2 is 13. Green is 8. 8 over 13. Okay. The 5 remains same because here only green. In this case, first green was taken, second green was taken. So 5 over 13. Here green and blue. Okay. First green was taken, second blue was taken, third from the back Y. This green and blue we placed in back Y. Initially, 6 green, 5 blue were there. Now 1 add, 7 green, 6 blue, because 1 green, 1 blue. Okay. So what is the probability? 7 over 13, 6 over 13. Got it? Next, same case, blue and green. Here green and blue, blue and green. So it will be the same only. 7 over 13, 6 over 13. I am giving 30 seconds time, grasp it. Okay, I recap. There were 2 backs, back X and back Y. In the back X, there were 9 marbles, 5 green, 4 blue. Okay. In the first lot, 1 is taken from the back X, then placed in back Y. In the second lot, 1 is taken from the back X and placed in back Y. So these 2 will be added to the back Y. Now third lot to be taken from the back Y. Okay. So initially it was 11, now it became 13 because in the first lot, second lot, whatever you take it, you placed it here. Next come here. First lot blue was taken, second lot blue was taken. Now third lot we are going to take from bag Y. There were 6 green, 5 blue. Now 5 blue becomes 7 blue. So 6 over 13, 7 over 13. Two things you have to see it. Green, blue. Everywhere green, blue, green, blue. The same sequence you put it. Green, blue, green, blue, green, blue, green, blue, green, blue. Okay, finished. Number 1. Number 2 is 9, 9. The denominator should be the same in the same column. 9, 9. And the numerator, if you add it, it should come to the denominator. 5 plus 4 is 9. Okay. Here, denominator 8, 8, 8, 8. Correct. In this case, 4 plus 4. In this same sign, numerator, if you add it, it will come. 4 plus 4 is 8. 5 plus 3 is 8. It is right. Then 8 plus 5, 13. 7 plus 6, 13. 7 plus 6, 13. 6 plus 7, 13. 13, 13, 13, 13, 13, 13, 13. Properly put, whether it is 8 or 5, properly put, because there were 6 initially green, so I have added 2 green at 8 over 30. Okay, this is the tree diagram completed. Find the probability that 2 marbles selected from bag X are of different colors. Okay. Here what is green, green, same color. Here what is green, blue, different color. Green, blue, different color. Here what it is, blue, green, different color. Blue, blue, same color. So it is. So we have to do it, this one, this one. Okay, how to do this one? Always in the chain you have to multiply, and here you have to add it. So this is what? Green, blue is 5 over 9 cross 4 over 8. Better here put it, since the table is, page is not sufficient, I am not putting that. This 5 over 9, 4 over 8 put here. Then blue, green, 4 over 9 times 5 over 8. 20 over 72. 20 over 72. Here you have to multiply. That is, this cycle you have to multiply. But here we got green, blue, blue, green. You have to add it. 20 over 72. Don't multiply. 20 over 72. So 40 over 72 is the answer. Okay. 40 over 72, a little simplify it. 5 over 9. 5 over 8. No, 5 over 9. Okay. Next. Find the probability that all 3 marbles are selected are the same color. What is green, green, green? This is green, green, blue. No. Green, blue, green. No. Green, blue, blue. No. Blue, green, green. No. Blue, green, blue. No. Blue, blue, green. No. Blue, blue, blue. Yes. So I already told you have to multiply 5 over 9, 4 over 8. Copy down this side. Here write it, due to no space, 1 minute, I will try to make it space there. Okay, good. This value is 5 over 9 In the same chain, you have to multiply 4 over 8, 8 over 13, 20, 160 times 936, I think. Okay. Here, 4 over 9 times 3 over 8 times 7 over 13. Eighty-four times 936. Okay, add it. In the same chain, you have to multiply along the chain. You have to horizontal is you have to add it. 160 plus 80, 44 is 244 divided by 936. Solve it to 1 minute, I will check the calculator. 9 times 8 times 30. 936 only. Okay, correct. Now 244 divided by 936. 261. 548 437. Only 1 minute. 244 over 936. $61 over 234. Yes. The answer is 61 over 234. That is 244 over 36. 61 over 234. Okay. Now for D. Find the probability that they all are green. Okay. This is 61 over 234 is same color. In that case, what is the probability of only green? What is the green probability? 160 over 936. Just copy down. I am going to erase it. 160 over 936. 1 minute. Only green is 160 over 936. For all color is 61 over 234. Find out. 160 over 936 cross 234 over find out the value. Divided by 936 divided by 61. 40 over 61. Okay, if they are asking given should be in the denominator. What is required? It should be in the numerator. Thank you for watching the video. I am posting all the questions one by one. Thank you.
Start.
Welcome to SEC Math Academy. In this lesson, we are going to see S1 Edexcel IAL January 2023, question number 3. Look at the question. Find in terms of A, e power ex. What is ex? The formula is sigma x px. What is x here? 2. What is px? A. So 2a plus Sigma means add everything. This is x, px. 3 times 0.4, 1.2. 4 times 0.6, 2.4 minus 4a. Right? So add it, 3.6 minus 2a. This is ex. We finished question number A, part A. Find the range of possible values of ex. Okay, what is ex? 3.6 minus 2a. What can be a value? A, here the probability of 2 is something greater than 0. So a value is greater than 0. A, okay. At the same time, here 0.6 minus a. So a value cannot be, probability of 4 cannot be negative. So probability of 4 is should be positive. So a value is less than 0.6. A value is greater than 0. Okay. So actually a value we can find out if you add everything. What happens? A plus 0.4 plus 0.6 minus a, if you add it, 1 point, it should become 1. 1.0 equal to 1.0 because this a is cancelling. So that we were not able to find the value of the a exactly. Otherwise, because here plus a, here minus a. Okay, so this both became cancelled. But we can find out the a's range. 0 to a value is 0 to 0.6. Okay. What is ex? 3.6 minus 2.8. If a is 0, what will happen? 3.6 minus 2 into 0 is 0, 3.6. If a is 0.6, what will happen? 3.6 minus 2 times 6.6 is 2 times 0.6. 3.6 minus 1.2, ex is 2.4. So here ex range is 2.4 to 3.6. Very simple question. Okay, a value is ex we found out 3.6 minus 2a. Okay, next. Variance x. Copy down. I am going to erase everything. X, there are so many formulas we studied. Sigma x squared over n minus sigma x by n whole square. This is one. Sorry, the square root will not be there. Okay. Another is sigma f x squared over sigma f minus sigma fx by sigma f whole square. The third is here what it is, variance is e power x squared minus ex whole square. Okay, here this is the formula. Okay, what is ex squared? Okay, what is ex squared? Sigma x squared px. What is ex? We already found out sigma x px. Okay, what is ex power n? This is not in our syllabus, but this also know it. Sigma x power n px. Okay, this we found out. I think 3.6 minus 2.4 minus 2a. Yes, this we found out. Ex we found out. Ex squared, now we have to do it. Okay, ex squared is what? Sigma x squared px. 2 squared is 4. 4a plus 3 squared plus 9 times 0.4 is 3.6 plus 4 squared. 16 times 0.6 is 9.6 minus 16a. This is nothing but 4 squared is 16 times 0.6 minus a. 16 times 0.6 is 9.6 minus 16a. Okay. So this is E x squared. 4a minus 16a will be minus 12a. 13.2. 13.2 minus 12a. This is Ex squared. Right? This is Ex squared. Okay. Now substitute. Copy down. Until now, copy down. (13.2) minus 12a. This is Ex squared minus Ex whole squared minus Ex whole squared. Ex whole squared is, you copy down, then only I can write. Variance x is Ex squared minus Ex whole squared. Ex squared is what? 13.2 minus 12a minus Ex whole squared is 3.6 minus 2a. Right? 13.2 whole square. Okay. 13.2 minus 12a minus 3.6 a minus b. That just expanded 3.6 times 3.6. 12.96 minus 7.2a minus 14.48 plus 4a square. So 13.2 minus 12a minus 12.96 plus 14.4a minus 4a square. Simplify it. Minus 4a square. 14.4a is minus 12a is 2.4a. 13.2 minus this minus plus 0.24. Okay. They have given variance x is 0.56. So this all bring it this side, copy down. Minus 4a squared here came 4a squared minus 2.4a plus 0.24 minus minus 0.24 minus 0.24 plus 0.56 is equal to 0. 4a squared minus 2.4a plus 0.32 is equal to 0. Okay, if you divide by 4, what will happen? A squared minus 0.6a plus 0.08 is equal to 0. Okay, then you can use from here itself, you use the calculator, find the a value. Okay, a squared Use the calculator, find the A values. Okay. A value is 1 over 5 and 2 over 5. A value is 0.2, 1 over 5 and 2 over 5. We got it. Thank you for watching the video. I am posting other videos. Okay, see. Welcome to Sheikh Math Academy. In this lesson, we are going to see S1 January 2023 question number 4, Venn diagram questions. Look at the question. They have given Venn diagram, two circle. One is A, another is B. Probability of A is P plus Q. Probability of A, what they gave? 7 over 25. 7 over 25 means it is 0.28. Okay, what is 0.28? P plus Q is 0.28. Okay, first step is over. Then probability of B. Probability of B is 1 over 5. 1 over 5 means 0.20. What is probability of B? Q plus R. Q plus R is 0.20. Okay. Next is probability of A intersection B. Probability of A intersection B dash. What is probability of A intersection B dash? It is P. This area only. Okay. Probability of A dash intersection B. It is R. The combination is P plus R. They are asking probability of A intersection B dash combine A dash intersection B is equal to P plus R. P plus R is how much? 8 by 25. 8 by 25 means 0.32. Now they are telling, using algebra, prove that 2p plus 2q plus 2r is equal to 4 over 5. This one, p plus q, q plus r, p plus r. You see it, p plus q, q plus r, p plus r. The question, if you see it, it is 2p plus 2q plus 2r. If you add these three, we will get it. Okay, p plus q, first equation. Second equation, q plus r. Third equation, p plus r. All three left hand side I added. So right hand side also I have to do it. 0.28 plus 0.20 is 0.48. 0.48 plus 0.32 is 0.80. It is nothing but 2p, 2q, 2r. 2p plus q plus r is equal to 0.8. We proved. 4 over 5 is 0.8. Okay. So what is mean by, then they are asking, what is called? Find PQRS value. Okay. Copy down until now. I'm going to erase it. Okay. 1 minute. I will give you further one more time. One thing you know that if you add everything, P plus Q plus R plus S is equal to 1.0. P plus Q plus R is equal to 0.4. We found out. So what is S? 0.6. One step we finished. Second is, we found P plus R is equal to 0.32. That means 8 over 25. 8 over 25 is 0.32. Okay, this and this compare. What you will get? Q value you will get it. Q is equal to 0.08. Okay. So yes, we got it. Q we got it. Now P we will get. P plus Q. P plus Q is 0.28. Q is 0.08. So P is equal to 0.20. Okay. The last one. P, Q, S. Add everything. 0.208, 0.28, 0.688. So R is 1 minus everything. R is 1 minus 0.88. R is equal to 0.12. Copy everything. I will rewrite everything. So P is equal to 0.20, Q is equal to 0.08, R is equal to 0.12, S is equal to 0.60. This is the result. Okay, part B we finished, part A we finished. Now part B. Look at the question part B. What they are telling? Probability of C plus D is x by 5 plus x plus 5 by x. Multiply it, x squared plus 5 into 5 is 25, 25 plus 5x divided by 5 plus x times x. X squared plus 5x plus 25 is x squared plus 5x. So this is, you see, x squared plus 5x, x squared plus 5x. This 25 is numerator, it is high. So probability of C plus D is greater than 1. If it is greater than 1, it cannot be greater than 1. If it is greater than 1 means like this only. If it is mutually exclusive, probability of C intersection D is 0. Then probability of C plus D is greater than 1. That is not possible. Okay. So, because all the probability is equal to 1. So, probability of C intersection D should be greater than 0. It cannot be like this. It can be like this only. Okay. For B field. Copy down. Welcome to SEC Math Academy. In this lesson, we are going to see S1 January 2023 question number 5. Look at the question. The length L mm of butterfly wings are normally distributed with L n 4.5 comma 0.4 square, and find the probability that a randomly selected housefly has a wing length of less than 3.86. Okay, this is nothing but looks like mu is 4.5. So what does it mean? Mu is 4.5, sigma is equal to 0.4. And another one formula, it is a normally distributed to, if it is standardized, x minus mu by sigma. Okay, now I am going copy down until now. Okay, now we have to find probability of L less than 3.86. We are normally distributing. So Z is 3.86 minus 4.5. Probability L is less than 3.86. Probability of Z is less than x minus mu by sigma. Mu is 4.5. Sigma is 0.4. Okay. 3.86 minus 4.5 divided by 0.4. Find the value. Minus 1.60. So probability Z is less than minus 1.6. We cannot do with the minus 1.6. So what we are doing? Probability of Z is greater than 1.6. Okay. If it is greater than, what is the formula? 1 minus probability of Z is less than 1.60. Okay, Z is less than 1.60. Table 1, 1.60, corresponding value 0.9452 is equal to 0.0558. 0.558. So 548. Okay. Next is how we did it. Length is less than 3.86. Now we are standardizing. Z is less than 3.86 minus 4.5 over 4. What is 4.5? Mu. What is the formula? Z is equal to x minus mu over sigma. We did it. So Z is less than minus 1.6. We cannot do with the negative A values. So we are converting to the positive A values. So this will become flip. It will become less than, will become greater than when minus sign goes. But greater than 1.6 we cannot do for the table 1. Because table 1 is for always Z is less than A. So 1 minus probability of Z is less than 1.6. So 1 minus from the table 1 for 1.6, 0.94552. 52. Then we got 0.0548. Okay. Now part B, find the upper quartile. Find the upper quartile, lower quartile. What is upper quartile? Probability of L is Q3. Upper quartile is L is less than Q3. Why less than? Because our probability is 0.75. From 0 to Q3 is 0.75. So we put less than. Okay. This is Q3. L. Then standardize. Probability of Z is Q3 minus mu. Mu is 4.5. Sigma is 0.4. We did it. 0.75. 0.75. We are not getting exact values. 0.7422, 0.74. 0.67 is 0.7486, 0.7517 is 0.68. So take the middle value. See 0.67, 0.68, 0.74, 86, right? 0.68, 0.7517. So we need 0.75. So I take in between 0.675. So then multiply it. Q3 minus 4.5 divided by point. Actually it is 0.4. 0.4 is equal to 0.675. Cross multiply and add plus 4.5, you will get Q3 is 4.768. Okay. The same way, do it for Q1. Okay, probability of L is less than Q1, 0.25. Standardize. Probability of L is Z is less than Q1 minus Z by sigma. X minus mu, not Z. Sigma is 0.25. So probability of Z is, we don't have in table 1, don't have 0.25 value for the Z is less than. So we wanted, it is more than 0.5. In table 2, 0.25 is not there. So we have to go for table 1, but it is less than 0.5. I am going to make it to more than 0.5. How I am going to make 1 minus 1 minus probability of Z is Q1 minus mu by sigma is equal to 0.25. Bring it here, 0.75 is equal to probability of Z is greater than Q1 minus 4.5. Sigma is 0.4. Okay, I rearrange it. Write it down, I am going to erase it. Probability Z is greater than Q1 minus 4.5 by sigma is equal to 0.75. This is difficult because we need only less than. So what we are doing, probability of Z is 4.5 minus Q1 over sigma. Actually, I changed the sign. Here instead of minus Q1 plus 4.5, I interchange. You see it. Is equal to 0.75. Now I am taking from the this one. 0.75 is 0.675. We know that it is 4.5 minus mu minus Q1 by sigma. So from that sigma is 0.4. So 4.5 minus Q1 is equal to 0.4 times 0.675. Find the value. .27. So 0.27, 4.5 minus Q1, 0.27 is 4.23. Q1 is 4.23 over. That's all. So Q1 is 4.23. Q3 is 4.768. Okay. Question number C. Look at C. Here you notice Z is greater than Q1 minus 4.5 by sigma 0.75. I change the sign because in table 1 less than only we can do it. We cannot change the sign. So when we are changing the sign, I put the negative. I interchange actually minus Q1 minus 4.5. This I made it like this. 4.5 minus Q1. When you are removing the Z, you take the table from the value. Okay, then calculate, you will get it. Okay. Go to the part C. Find the two outlier limits. What is the outlier? Q1, what is Q1? 4.23. Q3, 4.77. Okay. What is the Q3 minus Q1? 0.48. .77? No. Okay. 1.5 times IQR. 0.54 times 1.5, 0.81. Okay. Less than Q1 minus 1.5 times IQR. So 4.23 minus 0.81. What you will get it? 3.42. This is outlier one limit. Another limit is greater than Q3 plus 1.5 times IQR. Q3 is .77 plus 0.81. 4.88, 5.58. 4.77. So limit is 3.42, 5.58. Less than 3.42, greater than 5.58 are the outlier limit. Question number part D. Always Q3 minus Q1 is interquartile range. 1.5 times IQR is 0.81. So less than Q1 minus 1.5 and greater than 1.5 IQR plus Q3, we will get it. Okay. Now part D. Part D, what is the question? Please look at the question. Using the standardization so that the probability that the butterfly is not an outlier. So the butterfly should be between 3.4 to 5.58. This is the meaning. Okay, how to find out? So butterfly is 3.42 to 5.58. Is not an outlier means this is the condition. Probability of L. Always like this condition, what you have to do? Probability of X is greater than B minus X is less than B and less than A. Okay, always like this situation. Actually, understand this is A, B. This range they wanted means first find this range minus this range, you will get this range. Right? This is the rule. So X is less than B. Now copy down. Probability of L is less than 5.58 minus probability of L is less than 3.42. 5.58 means X minus mu. X minus mu over sigma minus probability of Z X minus mu. Here X is what? X is 5.58 minus mu is 4.5, sigma is 0.4. Here 5.58 minus 3.42 by 0.4. Probability Z is how much it will come? 1.08, 0.27. This one. Here minus no, here not 5.58. Here 4.50. Okay. guess x minus mu, no? 3.42 minus 4.5, sorry. Okay. What will come is that is minus 0.27, 5.58, 1 minute, 5.58, 4.5. Divided by 0.4, 2.7. Here 3.42 minus 4.5 divided by 0.4 minus 2.7. Okay, you understand? X minus mu by sigma. X minus mu by sigma. Okay. Here, since it is a negative sign, I am flipping to positive sign. Then 1 minus probability z is less than 2.7. Okay. The same case. The same case. So what will happen here? So 2 times probability z is less than 2.7 minus 1. Okay, what is the less than 2.7? Take the value. Table 2.70, 0.9965, 2 times 0.9965 minus 1, it will be 0.9930. Okay, part D is completed. Part E, last part. Given that the housefly is not an outlier, so not an outlier means 0.9930. Okay, so that they were working, find the probability that the wing of the length of this butterfly is greater than 5 mm. Copy down first. Greater than 5 means it is greater than 5, but the outlier limit is 5.58. This is the condition. Denominator is not an outlier means probability of 3.42. Instead of x, I can put L. This is also. Okay, 5.58. Okay. Probability of L, now we have to focus only this one. L is less than 5.58. What? Minus probability of L is less than 5. I am checking the only numerator. Okay. Denominator we already found out, it is 0.9930 in part D. L is less than 5.58. Probability of Z is 5.58 minus mu. Mu is 4.5 over sigma 0.4 minus probability of Z is 5 minus 4.5 over 0.4. Here what will come? Probability of Z is 5.58 minus 4.5 over 0.4 is 2.7. This we did previously also. 2.7 minus, this is 5 minus 4.5 is 0.5. 0.5 divided by 0.4 is that is less than 1.25. What is this value? Less than 2.7, we already found out. It is 0.9965 minus 0.8944. So 0.1021 divided by denominator we already found, it is 0.9930. Copy down. For E also completed. The total probability is, this result is 0.1027. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for my videographer, my daughter Farzana. Thank you. Welcome to Sheikh Math Academy. In this lesson, we are going to see January 2023 S1 Edexcel IAL regression, question number 6, regression chapter. Okay, look at the question. Question number 6. A research student is investigating the maximum weight Y grams of the sugar that will dissolve in 100 grams of water at various temperature x degrees centigrade, where x is between 10 and 80. So okay, this is a one. Okay, give an interpretation of the gradient of the regression line. Regression line, they gave it y equal to 151.2 plus 2.72x. This is nothing but y equal to 2.72x plus 151.2. It is looks like y equal to mx plus c. This is the meaning. Okay, this 2.72 is gradient. Okay, this is the gradient. What is meant by gradient? Gradient means y over x. Okay, that means this 2.72 means 2.72 over 1. Okay, so for 1 degree temperature, it will dissolve 2.72 grams of sugar. That's all. This is a way to tell if they are asking any gradient here per 1 degree increase or whatever it is in the x-axis for other kind of sums. They may ask the what is the importance of the gradient per, you start it degree, and what is this value is y. The y will change for 1 unit of x, the y will change with the m values. Okay, now the question number B. Use the regression line to estimate the maximum weight of sugar that will dissolve in 100 grams of water when the temperature is 90 degree. This 100 grams of water is completely for everything. So temperature is 90 degree. So in place of x you put 90. Okay, 2.72 times 90. 2.72 times 90. 244.8 plus 151.2, 396. So part B is 396. Part C is comment on the reliability of your estimate. You see they have given 10 to 80. Here it is 90. It is out of the range. Anything above 80 and less 10 is not reliable. Okay. Okay. Coming to the part D. Okay. Use the regression line of y on x and the following statistics. Show that product movement correlation coefficient for this data is 0.988. Okay, come here. Okay, they have given sigma y equal to 3119, sigma y squared 851,093, sigma x squared 24,500, n is equal to 2. Product movement correlation is R. R is equal to PMCC. Y over SXX over square root of SXX SYY. Okay. We found out sigma y, y squared, sigma x squared. Okay, what is SXX? This formula memorize by yourself. Sigma x squared SYY sigma y squared minus sigma y whole squared by n SXY sigma xy minus sigma x times sigma y over n. Okay. This is the case. Okay, SXX. Now, what they gave, sigma x squared they gave, n they gave, but sigma x they didn't give. So it is difficult to find out first one. SYY, we need to find out this one. Okay. Sigma y squared they gave. Sigma x squared gave, n they gave, this we need to find out. Sigma y squared they gave, n they gave, sigma y they gave, very simple. Okay. Okay. Next is sigma xy, SXY, sigma xy they gave. No. Okay, SXY we can find out in another way, because sigma xy we don't know, SXX we don't know, sigma x we don't know. So we have to do in another way. Okay. There is another one formulas. Note it down. This all you note it down. All the formulas. These 4 formulas and another 3 formulas. Note it down. Another formula is y equal to a plus bx. Okay. This is our correlations. Here what it is, a is equal to y bar minus bx bar. Okay, this is one formula. What is y bar? Sigma y over n. What is x bar? Sigma x over n. What is b? A we found out. What is b? B is SXY over SXX. Okay. Now we will do one by one. Okay. A we will, what is this formulas, you write it down. This formulas also you write it down. Okay. Now y equal to (151.2) plus 2.72 x. So B is 2.72, A is 151.2. So 151.2. What is y bar? Y bar is sigma y over n. Sigma y is what? 3119. N is 12. So y bar is 3119 divided by 12. $259.9. y bar is 259.9. We can tell it is 260. Okay, it is 260. So y bar is 260. What is x bar? We don't know. Okay, here y bar, now we are going to find a value. We know it is 151.2. Okay, what is y bar? 260 minus what is b? 2.72. What is x bar? We don't know, because we don't x bar sigma x we don't know. So better we will put x bar. Now we are going to find x bar here. 2.72 x bar here. 260 minus 151 point. I just rearranged. X bar is equal to 260. 260 minus 151.2 is how much? It will be 108. Okay. 108.8 divided by 2.72. 108.8 divided by 2.72. Calculate by yourself also. It is 40. X bar is 40. If it is x bar is 40, sigma x by n is 40. N we know it is 12. Sigma x is equal to 480. Okay. So we found out sigma x is equal to 480. Copy down all. Now you can write it here. Sigma x is equal to 480. Okay, and what you found? Y bar is equal to y bar 260, x bar 40. This is all we found out. Okay, erase it, this one now. Our motive is to find. Our motive is what? To find R. To find R, we need SXY, SXX, SYY. SYY we can easily find out. Sigma y squared minus sigma y whole squared over n. What is sigma y squared? 851,093 minus sigma y is 3119 whole squared over n is 12. Can you find out with the calculator? It is 40412 is coming. Okay, 40412. 40412 is coming. 412.9, or we can say 412.413. This is SYY. SXX. How to find out? SXX. Sigma x squared 24,500. You copy down this one first. 24,500 minus sigma x. Sigma x we found out 480 whole square by 12. Sigma x we found out with the a plus bx model. Okay, calculate. It is 5239.4. Okay, 5239.4. Okay, so we found out SYY, we found out SXX. We cannot find SXY because sigma XY nowhere given. But there is another formula. B is equal to SXY over SXX. What is B? Y equal to A plus BX. B is 2.72 is equal to SXY. SXY we don't know. We have to calculate. What is SXX? 5239.4. Just SXY you find out. Cross 2.72. 14251.1. Two 2.572 5329. Sorry, it is 5329. It is 5329 we found out. So here also 5329.4. So what will come? SXY 2.72 times 5329.4, 14495. Yes, 14495.9. 14495.9. Okay, just I will. It is 5329.4. Okay. Got it? Here also. 5 SXO equal to 5329.4. SXO is 14495.9. Okay. SXY we got it. SXX we got it. Okay. Now SYY we got it. Substitute here. R is equal to, instead of SXY 14495. Instead of SXX 5329. Instead of SYY 40412. Find out. This is square root. Okay. Find out. 14495 divided by square root of 5329 40412 is equal to 0.9888. What does that mean? It is very closer to 1. Okay, look at the question part E. You call, I just recap. we needed r equal to sxy over square root of sxx syy. Syy, they gave all the details. What is the syy? Sigma y squared minus sigma y whole squared over n. Sigma y squared is given, sigma y is given, n is given. Sxx, sigma x squared they have given, minus sigma x whole square they didn't give. N they have given. So our motive is sigma x we have to find out. Sigma x, how to find out? There is no direct relationship we can find out. Instead of sigma x, we are going to find the mean. Mean means sigma x over n. Okay. How to find the mean? Y equal to a plus bx. This is our general, that regression line they have given. A equal to y bar. You just a as a subject, you do it. A is equal to y bar minus bx bar. Okay. Y bar, mean. Mean of y bar means mean of y. Sigma y over n they have given. B is the gradient they have given 2.72. X bar they didn't give. You are going to find out. A they have given y-intercept 151.2. Okay. Then from that you are going to get x bar, right? Then with the x bar, what you are going to do? X bar is sigma x over n. Sigma x you find out. N already is there. X bar you got it. N already you know. Then x bar times n is sigma x. Okay. Now sigma x you got it. Okay. Now with that help, now go to the sxx. Sigma x whole x squared they have given minus sigma x whole squared by n. Okay. So find out everything. Finish the matter. Sxx you found out. So r equal to sxy over sxx times syy. You found out sxx syy. Now sxy you have to find out. How to find out? There is, they didn't give sigma xy. Sxy, what is the formula? Sigma xy minus sigma x times sigma y over n. They didn't give sigma xy. You cannot find in any other way sigma xy. So there is another way. B equal to sxy over sxx. Okay. Sxy we don't know. B we know it is a gradient 2.72. Sxx we know that we found out. So sxy equal to b times sxx. You got sxy. Okay. Now substitute r is equal to sxy over sxx times syy. Class, you got it. Okay. Then r value is, if it is nearer to 1, it is a positive correlation coefficient. It is less, negative to, nearer to -1, negative correlation coefficient. Discuss the suitability of linear regression model to describe the relationship between x and y. Part E. The points lie reasonably close to a straight line, positive correlation, and PMCC is close to 1 and therefore supports a linear model. Got it? I have done another one question, I think 2 years before, the same model question. Please watch my video. That video will come as advertisement, come as the end of the video. Please watch that regression line also. Both are same chapter. Thank you for watching. Now I am January 2023 combined video also I am sending to you. Thank you.